10 days to Christmas, and I'm going to do some grocery shopping with the kids. Just want to show you very quickly the outfit I'm wearing for today. Nothing super fancy, just winter outfit. So here it is. I'm wearing my Timberland top I showed you the other day and match it with the pants and the new Timberland boots I got. If you haven't seen the unboxing, you can check out the video I posted yesterday. And my car key is here. Wearing my Jack Moose bag, and here is just my wallet. That's all I really need, and some shopping bags. Let's go! Wow, this day went by super quick. After grocery shopping and a little shopping to get the kids something for their Christmas outfit, we came back home, make lunch, eat, and then I took a little nap, and now I'm here, and the day is almost over. And before I show you what I got for the kids, this came in the mail last night, and I want to show you what's inside. So this is from Hermes. Every time you buy online, they always have this extra packaging. I think because they want to make sure that people don't see where the package is coming from. But let's see what's inside. You might think this is a silly purchase, but I really want to try this out. Hermes box. It's just actually a very simple box. And I believe, if I remember correctly, it should have Hermes branding on the cover. There it is. And this is, ta-da! Oh my gosh, don't call me silly. They actually have, this was not at the checkout, but it's a free sample. Maybe it's a new perfume they have. Barenia? I'm not sure if I read that correctly. But this is what I got right here. This is a body and hair shower gel. So the reason I got this is because my sister told me that this specific scent, I don't know how to read that, but it's like Rhubarbe. I don't know how to read it, but she highly recommends this scent. And if you've been watching my video, I mentioned it a lot of times that my nose is very sensitive with fragrances. So I thought to try this scent out, I will get the hair and body shower gel first and see if my nose like the scent. You know, I could warm up to it. Smells good, fresh, floral. It is very similar to the Rose Vanilla from Bath and Body Works, which I love. So I like that. That's a good start. And also, recently I've been loving this scent from Jo Malone, which also has a rose note to it. I think it's rose blossom, something like that. But so far so good. Hopefully this is going to be great. It came right on time because tomorrow is my shampoo day for my hair. Usually I shampoo my hair every other day, but because I just colored it, I am skipping 2 days, and tomorrow will be my shampoo day. So I will try this and will let you know if it's good or not. So this is both body and hair. Hopefully it smells good on me. I'll keep you posted. Going back to the packaging, nothing very special, just Hermes really like to make their packaging extra special inside. Look at that. Every time I get this packaging, I feel bad about throwing them away because look at that. So thoughtful. Even have the what I call the seat belt. Wait, there's more. Let's see what we got here. some, I think some coloring paper for kids. It has info of the artist, or no info. Oh, right here. Drawn by Geoff McFettridge. There you go. Best wishes, Hermes. I think this is so cute. I don't know if I want to keep it or maybe give it to my kids for them to have fun with. For now, I'll just keep it and maybe I'll have them color it and frame it, because I don't know, I think this is cute and one of a kind. And it comes with this, you know, super simple envelope, but I thought that's very thoughtful. There you have it. So I don't know if you want to purchase anything at Hermes just to get this. I don't think it's gonna be I mean, to purchase something that you don't need, it's not worth it. But if you've been eyeing on something that you like, maybe try it and purchase something if you want to get this. So now for what I got my kids. The other day I shopped at the outlet at Carter's and got them a few things, because this whole week from Monday to Friday they are encouraged to dress up following certain theme. For Monday it's red or green day. My son already have a few green outfit, and so I just got my daughter a red sweater. This is from Carter's. This is, I think, $9.99. Yes, $9.99 Canadian dollars. So if you're looking for a red outfit for your daughter, you can find one at Carter's. So if it's in the US, it's probably cheaper, because this is $9.99. So maybe in the US it will be like $6.99 or $7.99. There you go. She already have a green pair of pants from Jane and Jack. I think it will work great with this sweater. And then the next day they are encouraged to wear Christmas themed sweater. And it's funny because I used to think these things are silly. Like, you know, before I had kids, I told myself, I'm not gonna comply to those silly things that they ask kids to do at school. But here I am doing exactly that, and bought my kids some Christmas sweaters so they have something to wear on Tuesday. So this is for my son. Just super simple with ho ho ho, super cute. This one I got from Urban Kids. I'm not sure if we have that in the US. I've never heard it before until I moved here, so we might not have it there. But they have a lot of novelty kind of clothes, and I thought I would check it out, and voila, I found exactly what I'm looking for. Christmas sweater. So this one's for my son and my daughter. And my daughter chose this Christmas tree sweater. I think it's super cute. She has this like a school girl dress from the children's place. I think it'll look great pair with this sweater. And then they will do a pajama day. And my kids decided to do matching pajama. So we got this. So they both got the same thing. And these are from Carter's. Pair of pajama is $9.99 Canadian dollars. So if you're looking for Christmas pajamas for your kids, again at Carter's, I'm assuming it'll be cheaper in the US, because, you know, Canadian dollars it's $9.99, so US I would guess $6.99 or $7.99. There you go. Continuing with Santa theme. There you go. And the pants, super simple, just say Holly Jolly. Yep, I am that mom now. And lastly, earlier we went to Dollarama, because the last day I think they would wear still Christmas theme, but they call it festive wear. like wear something. They encourage them to wear maybe like antlers, reindeer antlers, or the elves hat, Santa hat. And my kids, both of them, again, they wanted to match. I thought that's very cute that they actually wanted to match. And I got them both Santa hat. So I chose this because these are like sweater material and they could just wear it as their beanies. So there you go. Super snug. I tried it on my son and it fits good, so I got both of them this Santa hat. And my daughter decided to also wear this Christmas themed skirt. Super funny because before, back in the days, I would just say like, you know what, I don't want to spend $4 on that, I could just make it. But those days are kind of gone, and it's so much easier to buy something than to make it. But you know what, I will be back to that person that wants to make things. I think, you know, once my kids are more independent, then I'll have more time for my craft, sewing something for them. And you know, small things for children. I thought before that I would make more clothes for my kids, but small clothes are so difficult to make. It give me cramps, my hands. And so yeah, it's more convenient and actually cheaper to buy something ready-made. So yep, this is for my daughter. And last thing for my son, he thought this is super cute. This is scarf and it has lights. I don't know if you could see. There you go. So I guess it's really festive. So yep, I'm actually glad that my kids like to participate to something like this. Before, my son, when he first moved here, he didn't really care. But I think now that he has more friends, he became more sociable, and also because his sister is also going at the same school, I think he's more motivated to participate, and that makes me happy. Alright, so that's all I've got. And another day passed, 10 days to Christmas. And thank you again for sticking with me, watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing in this channel. I usually share fashion, beauty, and great finds. But for this, for the next 10 more days, I'll be sharing with you little things about my life, you know, what we shop, what we eat, what we do. And if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing. And for those who are already subscribed, thank you so much for staying with me. We'll be back to regular programming after this festivity. And I'm glad that you are here with me to join me in my journey. Thanks again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. You did? Oh, drumsticks are on sale. Let's get drumsticks for Daddy. Some bananas, hot dogs. You guys want piatos, or we don't have sticko anymore, huh? Yeah, to the Philippines.